Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip people. Today, talking about tools. If you've taken advanced foil design with us, you know you need far more than a knife and a shear. You need a hammer, you need a drill, you need screwdrivers and wrenches. And if you're like me, sometimes tools get legs and walk away. A technique that I started back in 1988 is I painted all my tools this horrible pink color. I don't love pink, but anybody that borrowed my tools promptly brought them back because they didn't want pink in their possession. I repainted these today for the film. This is one clear leftover from 1988 that I've never lost and I didn't repaint, just so you can see. The paint doesn't chip. It holds well. So now you know how to keep your tools in your possession.